Hey guys, welcome back. So you guys are in for a treat because I'm out in the garden. I'm going to be harvesting some new blooms because we're making a centerpiece, a vase arrangement, a bathroom arrangement, and a bedside arrangement all in one. So you guys get to see what the weeklies are like once you order your weekly bouquet. So you'll get fresh blooms and then you can just drop them in the vase, or you can make different things out of your weekly arrangement from all things flowers. So let's harvest and then let's get to designing and making. So here we have our 3-week-old flowers, and we're going to be replacing those and making some fresh new arrangements. All right, so here we have our garden harvested larkspur. We have some carnations here, and then we just have like some random flowers here. Actually got those from Trader Joe's just because I wanted a mix of flowers. I don't really recommend getting your flowers from there because they don't really last, but if you shop with us, then you know that your flowers are going to be lasting for about 2 weeks. So then we have our Garden O'Hara roses. We have some wild carrot here. We have some wax flower. We have our lavender mix. I wanted to do this color because it reminds me of spring, so we have some lavender stock. We have some lavender cremone chrysanthemums, and we have my favorite. So anytime I'm making an arrangement, you're going to be seeing rose lilies. So these rose lilies are actually just a double lily without the pollen center, and I love that because it stains your marble countertop. So with these rose lilies, you don't have to worry about that, and the scent is just heavenly. It's mixed between a rose and a lily. And then we have our crepe myrtle greenery here that we've harvested. So let's get to making all these arrangements. Guys, so first I'm going to get started on our bathroom arrangement. So this is our bathroom vase, a nice just silver. This is my bedside arrangement. So I'm going to get started on both of these because the openings aren't that big. But I am going to get started with a base of our lilies because they're my favorite. And next to my bed, I want to smell my lilies. All right, so this one is pretty open, so I'm going to save this one for me. All right, so I can't find my proper snips, so I am using scissors today. I do not recommend using scissors, but oh well. If you know how to cut at a slant, you're going to go ahead and do that. That way your flowers can drink up water that way. So I want this a little bit shorter. All right. So I want it to sit right there. So this is my bedside. And next to my bed, I just love scented flowers. So I'm going to add some stock. We have peppermint outside, and I probably will be adding some peppermint in there. We may go harvest some peppermint because I do like scented flowers, and I would love to smell that in this arrangement. Okay. So I kind of cut that shorter than I wanted it to be, but we're going to make it work. So when you come into our shop and you purchase your double rose lilies, those are going to be about $5. So right now, and then our stock typically ranges, depending on the color. If we have like our antique colors, which is this rich mauve color, those are a little bit more pricier, but typically our stocks are about $2. So right now we have a $7 arrangement. And then we're going to add some wax flower, which is another $2. So I'm kind of giving you Just like if you come into our shop or shop with us at the farmer's market, you'll know how much your arrangement will typically run. Okay, so I just took one piece of that wax flower and I'm going to split it into 2 pieces. But I'm going to just use, and this isn't going to be just like perfect because it's just going next to my bed. But I do want a beautiful rose. Okay. And our roses range from $4 and up, depending on the type of rose. All right. And I'm going to add something from the garden too, just because it makes me happy to know that I grew something beautiful. I'm probably going to mix a white. I think we need a little white in there. All right, so we have another $2. And then we're going to add this up here. It's a little taller than I would like. So I'm probably going to be adding some peppermint into this arrangement too. But it's just a cute little small arrangement. See how cute that is for the small vase? So we have our garden rose here. We have a lily, a larkspur, a stalk, and some wax flower. And then we're going to be adding some peppermint too. So far for this beautiful just bedside arrangement, we have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah. So that didn't cost a lot at all to make a super cute just bedside arrangement. And towards the end, you're going to see where I'm going to place these. Okay, so now is the bathroom arrangement. Of course, in your bathroom, you're going to want it to smell really nicely. We have a lot of black and gray in our bathroom. So instead of using the white lilies, which I do love, I'm going to use these colored ones just to add some color to our bathroom. And 2, you can just repeat the same recipe that we did if you want to repeat the same recipe that we just created, the bedside one. But this opening is pretty small, so I'm just going to place that there. I would love some wax flower in there. And I don't have my proper snips, so we're just going to do this trick here. And wax flower lasts a really long time and it smells really good. It has like a lemony citrusy scent. So I'm just going to have it sticking out right there. It's not going to be perfect. And like I want to add some color. So I'm thinking maybe like a rose or one of these chrysanthemums here. Let's do a chrysanthemum. Yeah, let's do one of these cute little chrysanthemum balls. All right, so about 3 stems here to do a nice bathroom arrangement. So again, if you were shopping with us and you're just wanting to create something like this for your bathroom, you're gonna be paying $9. So you just made a super cute, it looks luxurious and expensive because we have our beautiful chrysanthemum here, we have our lilies and our wax. So it's gonna make the bathroom smell amazing. So see how cute that is? Just $9. All right, let's move on to our next one. Okay, so this is our vase arrangement. In our vase arrangement, I'm going to be using some harvested greenery as well. I wish I had my proper snips. All right, so I'm going to use some of this crepe myrtle first. I'm going to set it. And I'm having to kind of work around not having the snips that I need. And I'm going to do pinks in this vase. I think that'll make it pop with the gold. So I'm just going to stagger my lilies in there. Yeah. That's it right there. Okay, then we're going to calculate this arrangement too. So I have my greenery in there, I have my 2 lilies. The more lilies, the better. So I'm going to add one more lily. Let's do a white in the middle. I think that'll be cute. So I planned out the flowers that I wanted to use, which was mostly the lilies and these lavender colors. Everything else was just spontaneous from what's grown in the garden. So you guys are really getting to make this, design these with me on the spot, actually. All right. I want to put our white in there just like that. Oh my gosh, I'm getting excited. Just even with these rose lilies, to me, it's so cute. And you can twist your flowers, you know, however you want to place them. Cute and easy arrangement. And it's going to smell amazing. All right, so now I'm going to get started on building our centerpiece for our table island here. And I'm going to start with our greenery, and then I'm just going to try to speed this along because I don't have a lot of storage left. So I have my greenery base here, and now I'm going to be adding my wax flowers and fillers. Now I'm going to be adding my hided larkspur that we harvested from the garden. And I'm just going to be staggering these around. So see how I'm placing it just to add that height there. Now I'm going to come in with some different color pinks and lavenders. Okay, so this is what we're looking at now, and then I'm going to be adding in our lilies and our beautiful Cremone chrysanthemums. So we're going to be adding those in. So I think we have our last finishing touch, and I think I'm going to place it right in between there. finished with the arrangement. Stay tuned so you can see where they're going to be placed. I have this one for my husband's side of the bed. We have our vase arrangement centerpiece. We have our bathroom, and then my side of the bed. Guys, so it's been super fun. Thank you so much for designing with me. It's been fun to harvest and then just to create and design with you guys, hopefully seeing all the arrangements, where you can place them, and how you can shop with us and create your own arrangement or bouquet. And it's not expensive, and your flowers do last super long. Check us out on Google. And as always, guys, I'm wishing you peace, love, and flowers. See you in the next video.